Okay, so first of all, I will go to File and then Options and then Data and scroll down to the bottom, and in the Automatic Data Conversion section, there's an option for Convert continuous letters and numbers to a date. And you can either deselect this individually or deselect all of the automatic data conversions and then click OK. Then for the second method, I will right click on the file that I want to open and go to Open With and open it in Notepad. Then I'll press Ctrl A to select everything and Ctrl C to copy. Go back to Excel and paste this in here. Then to split this into multiple columns, I need to go to the Data tab and click Text to Columns. And we will be using a delimiter and then Next, and we will be splitting this text using a comma and Next. And then this is where we can stop it doing the automatic date conversion. Select the column with the dates and then change the data format from general to text and then finish. And now I have my data in Excel and I have my original date and time format. Then for the third method, we'll be using Power Query. So go to the Data tab and get data from File from text/CSV. Then I'll find the file that I want to open and click on Import. Then I will click on Transform Data, and this will open up my file in Power Query. It automatically converts the dates, but I can fix this by clicking here and changing the date format to a text format. It will ask me if I want to replace the current step or add a new step, and I want to replace the current step. And now I have my original date time format. I can then click on Close and Load. And now I have my data in Excel without the automatic date formatting. Okay, so in this video I have shown you how to stop Excel from automatically formatting the dates, and that is everything.